Looking for a healthy, kid-friendly dessert? Watch this video to learn how to make chocolate-dipped fruit. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder. I'm here to help you create healthier, happier mealtime. For the best meal planning tips and to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday, hit the bell to subscribe. Chocolate-dipped fruit is always a hit with my thousands of meal plan subscribers. I hope you enjoy it too. Today I'm going to jump right in and show you how I make my dark chocolate apricots. I start by placing 1 cup of dark chocolate chips in a small pan over low heat, stirring constantly until just melted. And notice that this is an easy no-bake dessert. I then dip the dried apricot halves into the chocolate and place on parchment or foil, allowing to cool. You can do this at room temperature, but if you're in a time crunch, you can also cool in the fridge or freezer. Now enjoy your chocolate-dipped apricots. You can make this recipe in advance for an easy prep-ahead dessert idea. Now that you know the basic method I use for how to make chocolate-covered fruit, you can use this for any fruit, fresh or dried: oranges, bananas, strawberries, dried mango, pineapple. So if you're wondering how to make chocolate-covered strawberries or any other fruit, just use this easy method. I love chocolate-dipped strawberries and chocolate-dipped oranges. I avoid using fruit that might brown, like apples or pears. I love this healthy chocolate dessert because it is so versatile, no matter who you are cooking for. If you have kids, get them involved. This makes a great kid-friendly snack and would be perfect for after-school snacks. Who doesn't love fruit and chocolate? This recipe also works great for a variety of diets. For example, if you use a sugar-free chocolate and berries, it works great for keto. Keto chocolate-covered strawberries, anyone? So whether you're looking for easy paleo desserts, easy keto dessert recipes, or gluten-free dessert recipes, this method fits the bill. You can even use dairy-free chocolate for a dairy-free dessert. And whether you're looking for a clean eating dessert or just want to enjoy some fruit and chocolate, I just know that you'll love this recipe. Now you know how to make my dark chocolate-dipped fruit. But if you're a chocoholic like me, I know that you want more chocolate recipes. So I created a free download with my favorite chocolate desserts. And of course, all of my healthy dessert recipes are great make-ahead desserts. You can download these chocolate dessert recipes for free by clicking the link below this video. I also have a free 2-week trial of my healthy meal plans. Each week includes a healthy dessert. Use the link below to get my done-for-you meal prep meal plans for free. What is your favorite fruit and chocolate combo? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you download your free chocolate recipes and check out my meal plans below. If this video is helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with your friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.